Hi, I'm Wendy. Welcome to my West Coast garden. Today I'm going to share with you some techniques I use to plant tomatoes. So we want to dig a pretty deep hole for tomatoes. As you can see, these tomatoes have got quite a lot of space there, and all of that area will root. So I'm going to take off the bottom leaves, and there's a couple of different techniques in doing this. What I do is I lay them down. I dig a fairly deep hole, I lay them down, then I gently put that part upright so that the bottom leaves are just sticking out of the ground and the roots are deep in there. But I kind of put them horizontally and then put the tomato cage around it, and I put the fertilizer down below that. Now, when I say fertilizer is kind of any chemical that you're putting into the soil to help things grow. I'm using Epsom salt, just like a handful, probably that much Epsom salt into the hole. And then I'm also using some bone meal. The bed also has manure and compost and cocoa coir worked in to keep the soil light and to keep it porous. So I'm digging a pretty deep hole, and then I'll just put this Epsom salt down, and then sort of a tablespoon or so of bone meal. Mix that in. Gently squeeze this out of the container. And you can see this is just perfect to plant. It's not super root bound. So I kind of lay it down into the hole. And very gently wrap that around. And then backfill the dirt. And pack it down. Then I stick a tomato cage around it. Being careful to kind of keep the tines a bit further apart so that I'm not damaging the roots. And there we go. So I hope those tips help. Good luck in growing your tomatoes this year.